Hey friends, have you ever heard of UKI? Well, in this video, I'm going to introduce you to 3 awesome faculties at the Universitas Kristen Indonesia. We'll explore what makes each one unique and exciting. The Faculty of Literature and Languages is perfect for those who love words, languages, and culture. Here, students don't just learn theory. They dive into hands-on experiences like creative writing, translation, theater, and intercultural discussions. What's unique is the interdisciplinary approach. Whether you're studying English literature or Indonesian literature, you're trained to think critically and communicate across cultures. Plus, there are tons of cool activities like speech competitions, translation workshops, and international seminars. So, if you're passionate about languages and want to master communication in today's global world, this is definitely the place to be. Next, we've got the Faculty of Economics and Business, or FEB UKI. Here, you can major in management or accounting, and the programs are designed to prepare for you for the real business world even before you graduate. What makes FEB UKI special is its practical learning model. Beyond textbooks, you'll take part in business simulations, market research, and even entrepreneurship competitions. So whether you dream of building your own startup or working in a big company, you'll be ready. The faculty also has strong connections with industry partners, giving students access to internships and working opportunities. You're not just earning a degree, you're building a career. Least but not least, the Faculty of Teacher Training and Education, or FKEP UKI, is the perfect place for future educators and change makers. What's unique about FKEP is that it focuses not just on academics, but also on building character and teaching skills. Students are trained to become empathetic, inspiring educators, with plenty of teaching practice in real schools throughout the program. The faculty also emphasizes Christian values and integrity, shaping teachers who not only teach well, but also lead by example. If you believe in the power of education and want to make a real difference, FKIP UKI is where your journey can begin. So, there you have it, 3 amazing faculties at UKI, each with its own strengths and specialties. Pretty cool, right? I hope this video helps you to get know UKI better and maybe even find the perfect faculty for your future.